Hi folks, Smart Pro here. In today's video we have this device from Condor. Sadly this smartphone came to our shop, no power, not charging, nothing, completely dead, so let's fix it. We connected the battery terminals to the power supply. It is clear that the phone has a relatively large leak. When we connected the board to the power supply, we noticed an area on the board getting slightly hot. We're not sure exactly where, so let's make a simple test. Of course, this test is for those who don't have a thermal camera. We put a little bit isopropyl alcohol and connected the power. We noticed the alcohol is drying quickly on the charging IC. Let's repeat the process with the resin smoke. There's no doubt. We confirmed the IC is faulty and is responsible for the leak. So let's replace it immediately. It's smart to mark the direction of the IC. Enough talking and let's make this thing fixed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Thank you.